My loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be back, and you know, just like a little 2-week hiatus, but we're back and we're gonna do this beautiful look here. We're gonna just do a little bit of, you know, styling with the hair, and we're gonna get dressed, just a little get ready with me as I'm on my way out to Taco Tuesday. So if you guys want to see this completed look, keep watching. It's been a little minute and your girl looks a little different. We got a little fixer-upper. Ladies, how y'all doing? It's been a very, very long 2 weeks between Thanksgiving. Has it been 2 weeks? Between Thanksgiving and my birthday, it's been a whole just lot going on. But anyways, we are back. We're back and we're gonna do some, you know, a little bit of glam, something really soft and pretty. My boyfriend and I are going out tonight, and I wanted to get this video out because I have not been on here in such a minute, and it's like, it's really hard when you're like trying to get back into the groove of things because you've been out for a minute. Yeah, that's how I feel. So anyways, we'll get into the hair in a second, but we're gonna do a little get ready with me. So I'm gonna start off with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and you know, I'm always so like on the fence with this product, but we're gonna try it today, just again, and just see if I like it or not. So when I have like my wig on, I don't really put product around my hairline really. Like I try to keep it very, very minimal because I feel like it just does not look good. And then by the time you take it off, like if I want to be barefaced, then it doesn't look seamless, you know? And then we're gonna go in and I'm just gonna color correct around my mouth. Don't tell me I got a little bumpity bump right there. I haven't had one of those in a long time. But let's just color correct really quick. Oh my God, I'm getting like little bumps here and there. What's happening? A one right here too? What is going on? I've been eating a lot of sweets. That's probably what it is. So what is up, you guys? It's been a little minute, like I mentioned. Let's just take it back to Thanksgiving. Let's just fill you guys in on the festivities. Thanksgiving was hard. Thanksgiving was really, really hard on me, y'all, because my mom and I cooked the majority of the food. I think we were only, like my sister and her husband cooked 2 dishes, but we cooked everything. Who told us to do so much? We cooked enough food for like a little over 20 people. Like what were we doing? I don't know. Like everybody was making plates. Everybody made plates, and it was just like, this is a little too much. And it just made me realize you don't have to have a lot of food per se. You don't need to have so much of a variety of foods. And yeah, we realized that real quick. Cute. We realized that's not happening again. Now I like cooking, I like entertaining and all that. I was so done that day. I was like, it made me say I would never do this again. That's what it made me say. I would never do this again. And I would do it again. I just would do things very, very differently, you know? So that was my Thanksgiving. But aside from the stupid shenanigans, it was a good Thanksgiving. It was a very, very good Thanksgiving. So I cannot complain. But now we are in December, and I'm just happy to say, hey y'all, this is my birthday month. My birthday has now come and gone. Oh my God, y'all, let me tell y'all something real quick. When you are preparing for your birthday, I know a lot of you guys already know this, I'll tell you this anyway. When you're planning for your birthday, do yourself a favor and make sure that your hair is done. Make sure your hair and nails and everything like that is done, so that way on the day of your birthday, you're not having to worry about stuff like a wig install, you know. Girl, I spent so much time getting my hair together. Mind you, I had to bleach the knots. I got this wig on Amazon, by the way, and I'm not mad at it. I'm really not mad at it, but I got my wig on Amazon, and that's cute and all that. I actually got this wig February 2nd of this year. Yeah. So basically, I spent all day, like from the morning time, doing my, bleaching the knots and everything like that. And it's a nice wig. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's a nice little affordable, cute, cheap wig or whatever. I'm actually surprised at the price, because girl, I bleached my own knots, I plucked my own hair, everything. And I'm just so surprised that it looks so good. It's a little thin in my opinion, but she's she's good. I was like, I'm so happy that I decided to do a little Bobby action. So yeah, went to go get my hair cut, and that was just not the best idea. That was not a good idea at all. So by the time I got home, so my reservations were for 9:45. I didn't get home until 9:22. No makeup on my face. Getting dressed was easy because I already knew what I was gonna wear. But when I say, girl, that was dumb. That was so dumb of me. Remember, when you have like your lace frontals or whatever, make sure you go around the edges and you just like hold the lace and like a little bit over the lace, because you do not want to get, it's just easier. Trust me, it's easier. You don't want to get anything in your lace, and you also want to be able to take off your makeup very easily. And then I was like, you know what? The restaurant that I'm going to, Casa Madera, it's not that type of restaurant where you need to, like, you want to be pretty, obviously. It's in Hollywood, but I didn't want to be, I wanted to be like dazzling. And I felt like my dress was a little too much. It was too much for that. So I changed my outfit, and I actually loved the outfit that I had on. I will insert some pictures, videos, whatever, so that you guys can see it. But I'm just so happy with the way that I looked. I'm so happy, but I also was happy with, first of all, the fact that the restaurant, we have to change the reservations. I called them up, ring, ring, ring. Hey, can we change those reservations, please? And they did. So we got the reservations for 11:15. Baby, mama was tired after that. I was like, girl, I ain't doing nothing after this. My boyfriend kept trying to go here, go there, girl. I was like, I was in the car like, your girl was knocked out. I was definitely tired. It was crazy. I did a lot. I was up from morning time until, like late at night, morning time to morning time, basically. And I just was like, I don't want to do nothing else. So yeah, that was my birthday. And you know what? I've now decided that I'm not gonna have any other birthdays where I'm trying to plan, because that's another thing. It threw me off, but it didn't throw me off because I kind of knew what to expect. But I don't like planning my birthday. I said it. I don't like planning my birthday. I really do want somebody else to just plan it for me, and I don't want to have to think about it. I don't want to have to worry. I don't want to have to think. That's where I am with that. Because it stresses me out so much trying to like consider other people, and it's too much. And I don't want to have to think about, oh, who's at work at this time, and I don't want to have to think about that. Like, for my birthday, I don't want to like think about that, and it really stresses me out really, really bad. You know what? This honestly could be a Christmas look right here. This could be it right here. We could have used platinum, but I didn't want to use platinum because platinum is it's platinum, but this right here, oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. Just a little bit more. Ooh, she is cute. Should I add a little bit of a lash onto this? I don't know. I think a lash would do this whole look justice. All right, so I just pulled my hair down. I'm gonna put my flat iron on right now, just in case. Yeah, I think we should go ahead and just bump her a little bit, just a little bit. And I just keep her on 45. So let me go get dressed really quick. I'm gonna get dressed and just get, do the rest, and then I'll come back and then I'll do my lips, okay? So I'm gonna just go into another palette. This is the Mercury Retrograde palette. And I just wanna use this really pretty, it's this shade right here. It's really pretty. And I just wanna pop that right in the inner corner. because clearly I have on lavender. Got a little lavender action. Okay, that ties that in together. I like it. All right, so anyways, yeah, we're just gonna go grab tacos. I just want to be pretty, you know, and just say hi to you guys, catch up. Thinking of switching up the lips, and I'm gonna do this lipstick here. This is the Frenchie, Hey Frenchie. I don't even know if they still have this, but I wanna do this lip today. So still gonna use brown liner. You know what? I need to go get Vino, because if I had a Vino would be perfect. Use, oh gosh. You're gonna see, I've gotten a lot of use out of this back in the day. So let's try it. Okay, that is a lot more. I thought this was a little bit less. I don't like it. It's a little too purpley, you know. So let's use that pink on top. Oh my gosh. We need some nude in here. We need a lot of nude. That's actually nice. That's nice. That's not too bad. Y'all know I try my best to stray away from the nude, but the nude just calls me every time. And I love that. I like that a lot. All right, so let me go back in with my my press and comb. Listen, do they not sell this anymore on Amazon, or is it just like that hard to find? I don't know, because everybody's been talking about these Andes hot combs, and for whatever the reason is, the other hot combs that they have, they are just not, they're not it. But this is my baby. This is my baby. I love her. She works so well. Perfect for my wigs. Okay. All right, perfect. I like that. We're really not trying to do too much. We're just trying to give her a little bit of, you know, just trying to clean her up just a little bit. Yeah, I like that. Actually, that's all I needed. That's all I needed. Ooh. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. This is how I used to wear my hair back in the day. You know, my own hair. And girl, you couldn't tell me nothing. Love it so much. Let me just add a little bump right here while we're at it. Just a little bumpity bump. You know, not doing too much. But yeah, girl, I got this thing on Amazon. I ain't never looked back. I literally just took it out the box, out of the packaging on my birthday. And it's so funny because I didn't know what this hair was gonna look like. I did have a backup, but I just was like, I don't want to wear the same wig for my birthday. Like I didn't want long hair. That's really what it was. I did not want long hair. I wanted something, ow, whoo, girl, that was hot. But yeah. I did not want to have long hair for my birthday. I just wanted something that was, you know, just a little, just softer, just pretty. I mean, long hair is soft too, but I just wanted something very soft and just different. So that's where we have this wig. So I did go and get it cut, because I've never cut my hair like this before. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna be doing, I ain't messing up my hair. So yeah, she could be a little bit more bumped than that. There we go. I like that. No, we're gonna leave the back. We're gonna leave the back. But yeah, girl. So this is the hair. Love her. And I just wake up like this. I wake up with my hair mostly done, unless I want to go for, like, you know, unless I want to give it a little bit more body or whatever, which this is basically what I did. Just gave her a little body. That's No, we're not doing too much. Let you guys see what it looks like up close. This is what it looks like up close. And this side is not my best side, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. There we go. You see it, so you can see the lace. So when girls say lace wear, what they mean is, you know, from far back, like she looks good, but up close, you're gonna see some lace, honey. You're gonna see any type of imperfections or, you know, whatever. And yeah, but I don't care. I love the hair. Love, love, love the hair. And I just love just moving her from side to side, you know, pulling her behind my ear. That's a vibe, you know, just, that's a whole vibe for me. I just love the versatility of having, you know, a wig, because these are things that I would do with my own natural hair, except I'm not straightening my natural hair. I just, no, because girl, all this heat that I'm putting on my hair, that's what the wig is for. So, you know. The scent for tonight is gonna be Valentino. I've been really loving this Valentino. Smells just, All right, so just keeping it very, very, you know, just classy, very pretty. And then this here, oh, I like this. I like it together. I like it. Just cute. I went on a crazy like little shopping spree on Fashion Nova. Girl, I had a credit for like $40. I was like, $40? Oh girl, let's go shopping. And they had everything on sale too. So I was like, yes. Oh, this is cute. But I feel like this elevates the look a lot. And that was like not the vibe I was going for. I think earrings, no necklace. Oh, I love the earrings. Unless I pull my hair up. If I pulled my hair up, that'd be a vibe. Huh. It's so fun. Oh, see, look at that. Look, ooh, girl. So this is the final look. Let me know if you guys like it. Anyways, I miss y'all. I really missed y'all. So I'll see you guys in my next video.